Beloved South Africans, this is Mandisa Mthembu, the President of the Reformed Government of South Africa. Today, I'm introducing the National Environmental Decarbonization Policy Act. National Environmental Decarbonization Policy Act. The National Environmental Decarbonization Policy Act purpose is to establish a lasting solutions for environmental changes like the global warming and natural disasters. This law is amended to establish the broad national framework for protecting our environment and natural resources. NEDPA's basic policy is to assure that all branches of government give proper consideration to the environment prior to undertaking any major governmental action like illegal mining, extraction of minerals, lack of sustainable strategies for private industries and government. The products that fuel our lifestyles are all sourced and produced from minerals and resources that come from the earth. While the revolutionary processes of extracting and producing and creating products has advanced our lives, the ones truly paying the cost is the environment and the future generations. Climate change is causing natural resources depletion through increased extreme weather events. These include floods, droughts, and forest fires that deplete natural resources. This disturbs the daily human balance as its effects are felt at economic, social, and environmental levels. For instance, a decrease in fuel fossil supplies would lead to increased fuel petrol cost. This affects households, businesses, and overall economy, increasing the cost of living for the South African people. The main objective of these acts are to declare a national policy which will encourage a decarbonized economy, promote productivity, and create an enjoyable harmony between man and his environment, and to promote a sustainable innovation and efforts which will prevent or eliminate damage to the environment and biosphere, while enriching the understanding to the ecological systems and natural resources importance to the nation. This policy is all about pushing the concept of sustainability beyond clean energy toward encompassing a model of economic growth that strives for regeneration over depletion of resources. In order to carry out the policy set forth in this act, it is the continuing responsibility of the Reformed Government of South Africa to use all practical means to improve and coordinate sustainable plans, functions, programs to achieve a balance between population and resources use, which will permit high standards of living and a wide sharing of life's amenities among South Africans. The National Environmental Decarbonization Policy Act, policies, regulations, and public laws of South Africa shall be interpreted, administered in accordance with the policies set forth in this Act. And agencies of the South African government shall utilize a systematic interdisciplinary approach which will ensure the integrated use of the natural and social sciences and the environmental design arts in planning and in decision making, which may have an impact on man's environment, and to identify, develop methods and procedures which will ensure that presently unquantified environmental amenities and values may be given appropriate consideration in decision making along with economic and technical considerations. The National Environmental Decarbonization Policy Act comes into effect today, 4th December 2025. As the world is transitioning to decarbonized economy, South Africa will be amongst the safest, productive, and thriving economy in the global stage. I thank you.